My name is Tom Sullivan. I worked for, was a former explosive technician for Controlled Demolition, and worked for them for a couple of years. And I have to say that I don't represent CDI today. I'm retired, but what I do say is based on my experience and my training that I received at CDI, and I enjoyed having to work for the best in the world. It just doesn't get more clear than that. And so that's my argument with it, or when you start talking to people, is focus on 7, because once you see 7, then there's reasonable doubt that the rest of the story is not the same.
Yes,
well, 7 is crystal clear.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody, absolutely nobody, can deny that that was not explosive demolition. Like I said on stage, I knew about this from day one, and it's been frustrating for me because I work for CDI. I know what I'm talking about, and I was in an unusual. I would tell people, and I said I know what I'm talking about, and there's reasonable doubt, and let me tell you why. And people would glaze over and walk away, think I'm a conspiracy theory, and it was just very, very frustrating. So. And like a lot of people, I thought, well, eventually this is going to come out. And
were you talking about that within like the CDI group while you were there?
No, because that was about the time. That was about the time that I left CDI, and also their business, as all the controlled demolition people, business dropped considerably. For about a year or so, because it just everybody was so sensitive to having a building imploded in their town because they thought terrorists were coming. So basically their business took a real drop. So anyhow, so I thought that very much that people would eventually come to realize this, and I just didn't know how to. There wasn't really groups like AE 9/11 out there. I mean, there were some people putting information together from film clips and sort of collateral information, but nobody doing really hard science. And it wasn't anything to join. Much like when Richard said, a couple years ago, there wasn't anything for him to join. Well, there wasn't anything for me. And a friend of mine sent me on my birthday just this year, sent me a DVD from AE 9/11.
Okay.
I looked at it and I said, man, these guys, now I mean, they have structure, they have purpose, they have momentum, and they have a good background of experts and science to go with this. We're just not looking at what people might say. Not that that's not important, don't get me wrong, but you need sort of the 1-2 punch of an argument. So I joined them. I called them up and said, I'll sign the petition, and I said, what I did, and they thought I could be helpful, and that's why I'm here today.
Sweet. Well, I want to thank you, Tom.
You're quite welcome.
Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah.